If you're not rich yet, it's probably your daily habits. Look, building wealth isn't about luck, it's about what you do every single day. Habit number 1. Pay yourself first. The moment money hits your account, invest a portion, not after spending, before. Habit number 2. Track every dollar. What gets measured gets controlled. Most people are broke because they guess. Habit number 3. Increase income, not just savings. Learn a skill, negotiate, start something small. Rich people focus on earning power. Habit number 4. Avoid lifestyle upgrades. Just because you make more doesn't mean you spend more. That's the trap. Habit number 5. Invest consistently. Not sometimes, not when you feel ready. Every single month. Wealth isn't built in one big move. It's built in boring daily discipline. If you want real financial freedom,
You're not broke because you don't make enough. You're broke because your habits are expensive. Let me show you the shift. Wealth isn't built in one big moment. It's built in tiny daily moves. First, pay yourself first. The second money hits your account, invest a piece. Automatic, no emotions. Second, upgrade your skills, not your lifestyle. Raises should grow investments, not car payments. Third, track your money. What gets measured grows. Fourth, avoid bad debt. If it doesn't make you money, think twice. And fifth, think long term. Real wealth is boring, but boring makes you rich. Small habits, repeated daily, that's the game.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Make sure to turn on the bell icon so you never miss any of my new videos.